Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Ku Ahmad Mukris. So in this video, I would like to share with you 4 behaviors that you can practice in order to have good health and well-being to achieve sustainable development goal. Let's go. The first behaviors that you can practice is doing physical exercises.
Physical exercise is defined as any body movement that consumes energy while working, playing sports, and doing recreational activity. There are many benefits that we can get by doing physical exercise. The most obvious one is to improve and sustain our health. By doing physical exercise, we can help reduce the risk of having any health problems such as heart diseases. Also, it can help in maintain ideal weight so that you are always fit. Next, physical exercise may improve mental health and mood. There are a lot of physical exercise that you can do, such as brisk walking, cycling, jogging, running, swimming, or any other sports that make you sweat. All these physical exercises can be done alone or with group. If in cases of group, besides improving the health, we also get to spend the time to strengthen the relationship.
And the second one is doing gardening.
Gardening is an activity which you grow and cultivating plants. During gardening, we can grow plant, flower, vegetables or fruits, and we can make a decoration to our garden that make our environment more cheerful. Apart from that, we can get our body sweat and become healthy during this activity. Examples of gardening are growing plant, trimming tree, cutting grass, and harvest for fruits. By doing so, we can get to save our money for grocery shopping. A routine of gardening can help you in helping your environment to stay clean and unpolluted because, as we know, plants do photosynthesis to absorb carbon dioxide and release more oxygen for respiration system.
The third behaviors that you should practice is eat healthy food.
In achieving good healthy lifestyle, individual has to consume a healthy food so that there are no excess calories and there are sufficient nutrients to fulfill the body's need. The essential nutrients for our body are carbohydrate, protein, fats, fiber, vitamins and minerals. Choose to eat food that contains just enough nutrient for your body with the suitable portion. The easiest way is to make sure that we at least take 3 times of meal a day. Follow 3 main portion consist of half plate vegetables, quarter plate starch, and quarter plate protein. And all the meals must follow the healthy food pyramid. By eating healthy food, an individual can reduce the risk of having cancer and other health problems such as diabetes, stroke, and kidney failure. By not having any health problem, our body can remain fit and slim. Thus, we can live in a better mood and cheerful. This is a proof that eating healthy do help us in improve our physical and mental state. Moreover, when our body is in a good condition, we get to improve on our memory. Finally, by eating healthy, we can encourage the generation to not take a fast food which contain chemicals that will degrade our health in long-term duration.
And the final one is don't smoke.
Cigarettes contain chemical that is addicting and bad to body health. When cigarettes are lighted up, it will produce excess smoke which is not only bad for the consumer but also to the people around him. Furthermore, smoking cigarettes will produce pollution to the environment. As instance, the production of making 300 sticks of cigarettes is equal to 1 tree in the forest to be sacrificed. As stated by World Health Organization (WHO), cigarette smoke has led to the increasing emission of carbon dioxide and methane gas, which contribute to almost 5% of global greenhouse gas production as in 2015. Also, the remaining cigarette butts often to be thrown away and will cause pollution to the land and water. When an individual smokes, the smoker will happen to have risk on getting some health problems such as cancer, pulmonary disease, heart attack and strokes. By avoiding smoking cigarettes, we can enjoy life better not only in terms of healthy and well-being, but also can reduce money wasted on cigarette and reduce environmental pollution.
As a conclusion, we should keep giving awareness and encourage all people around us to practice all these behaviors together as in community. As wise man once said, the success starts with a small step. Thus, we must have the courage to do our individual part so that it can make a big good impact to our world very soon. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.